Odinaani abụla religion. Religion bụ a drop in the ocean, reasoning n'ofu anyị. Ghọta? Ihe ya na mmụọ ya kpata. Mother nature bụ best teacher. Anyị bụ mmadụ. And a religion makes you live by another man's standards, eat what is good for him, abstain from what is bad for him. Obviously, I didn't receive everything I know or things like to use Nzu from my mom directly. People passed it to me, right? Because just like Igbo language, I didn't invent that, but I use it. Does that make Igbo a religion? Mba, it's the way of life of my people, my culture. Onya me njasina, even na practice, go. Igbo spirituality. In religion, you transfer your self-autonomy over to a few ambitious human beings and their priests. You can enslave the people using religion. Look at the Hindu Varna system, where one section of their society are supposed to serve. They are designed to serve the others, the higher bonds, as peasants and artisans. They can't